Welcome to the Narendra classes of life sciences. Today we will discuss about the metalloenzymes, isoenzymes, and multi-enzyme complex. So first we will see about the metalloenzymes. Metalloenzymes are those enzymes which contains metal ions in their active site, or they require metal ions for their optimum activity. Most of the enzymes, at least about one third of the total enzymes which are known, are metalloenzymes. Metal ions play an important role in the catalytic activity of the enzyme, such as their presence in the active site forms the charge group. So charge group help in the stabilization of the enzyme substrate complex. So as well as charge stabilization, they also require for the specific nature of the enzymes, and they form a non-covalent interaction with the substrate. Most of the enzymes which perform important biochemical reactions are metalloenzymes, such as several dehydrogenases, oxygenases, for example in cytochrome, which requires metal ions, or carboxypeptidase, which requires zinc atom. So most of the enzymes requires metal ions for their catalytic activity. So metalloenzymes in which metal ions are bound by different types, such as some metal ions are tightly bound, such as copper, zinc, iron. Some metal ions are bound loosely, such as manganese, magnesium, calcium, and some metal ions are not required by enzymes, such as sodium and potassium. So metal ions play an important role in the catalytic activity of the enzyme, so that most of the enzymes functions on the basis of the presence of the metal ions, because they forms the non-covalent interaction with the substrate molecule, and the formation of the enzyme substrate complex is an essential phenomenon in the catalytic process. So these all are the metalloenzymes, and metalloenzymes are also the target for the several poison or toxic materials, such as in the porphyrin biosynthesis we have already told that the enzyme ALA dehydratase that contains zinc atom, and which is replaced by the lead in the environment, which are excess in the lead. So the lead poisoning affect the enzymatic activity in the porphyrin biosynthesis. Besides this, there are several metal ions, such as in the cytochrome there are iron sulfur center, and they form a complex with molybdenum or copper, and these are the essential for the activation of the cytochrome activity. Isozymes. Isozymes means the enzymes which differ in their composition, structure, molecular weight, amino acid sequence, and they are also separated on the electrophoretic gel, but they catalyze the same reaction. Means the enzyme differ in their molecular structure, molecular weight, but they catalyze the same reaction, such as lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate dehydrogenase is the enzyme which is responsible for the conversion of lactate into pyruvate. Conversion of lactate into pyruvate. This process is reversible, and this is catalyzed by lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate dehydrogenase is distributed in heart and muscles. In heart and muscles. It contains two subunits H and M, and both have the molecular weight 35,000 Dalton. So the subunit interaction forms the different type of the lactate dehydrogenase, such as the enzymes which are found in heart is rich in H4, then H3M, H2M2, HM3 and M4. M4 is widely found in the muscles and H4 is widely found in the heart. Generally this enzyme M4 lactate dehydrogenase is found in the muscles of breast. So these subunit interaction forms 5 different isoenzymes of the lactate dehydrogenase. So these subunits, these type of the enzymes differ in the amino acid sequence, their composition, but they catalyze the same reaction, although their area of work differ. Some enzymes work in heart and some enzymes work in muscles. So the level of the lactate dehydrogenase in heart is also used as a diagnostic agent in the myocardial infarction. Myocardial infarction, the level of LDH is increased rapidly in the blood, but they slows down and they become normal, come on normal level within 10 days after the myocardial infarction. So they are the indicator of the myocardial infarction or heart failure. These both subunits are rearranged and forms the different type of the isoenzymes. So the isoenzymes structure differ, molecular weight differ. They are also separated on the electrophoretic gel, but they catalyze the same reaction. Multi-enzyme complex. Multi-enzyme complex are the cluster of different enzymes, although they cannot function independently because their reactions are interconnected or they are involved in the very coordinated process. So they remain together, aggregate forms, but they catalyze the different type of the reaction. But they cannot function independently, but they catalyze the different reactions, such as pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. The enzymes which are involved as a link between the glycolysis and Krebs cycle. This enzyme has the molecular weight of 48 log Dalton. 48 log Dalton molecular weight of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, but it contains 3 enzymes. These are pyruvate decarboxylase, dihydrolipoic dehydrogenase. Both have 24 mole. Lipoic reductase transstyrase, that is present in 8 mole. So these 3 enzymes remain together and forms the multi-enzyme complex known as pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, PDC, and they are important between the glycolysis and Krebs cycle because they convert pyruvic acid into acetyl coenzyme, and acetyl coenzyme is the initial substrate for starting the Krebs cycle. This enzyme contains 3 different enzymes which forms a cluster or aggregate. They cannot function independently, but they are involved in coordinated process, but the reaction catalyzed by these enzymes differ from each other. So the type of the reaction differ, but they remains together in aggregate form. That is the multi-enzyme complex. There are some other examples of multi-enzyme complex such as alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. Alpha KDC, this is the major enzyme of Krebs cycle, is also another example of multi-enzyme complex. So these are about metalloenzymes, isoenzymes